What can a person recover for permanent injuries in a PI case? Well, permanent injuries are physical or mental injuries that are going to last for life. They're not going to get better and go away. So there's at least four different kinds of recovery a person can have in a personal injury lawsuit that involves permanent injuries. First kind is medical expenses. So the person's going to be looking to collect for all of their past medical expenses that they've incurred, but then they're also going to look into the future and see what it costs for medical treatment through their life. And generally, you're going to need an expert to be able to come up with those estimates and calculations. Now, the second is lost wages, and that will be lost wages from the past due to the injury, and is also going to include lost wages going into the future because of the injury. Now, if the person is able to work but can't make as much money after the injuries, then there's going to be a claim for lost wages, but it's going to be the difference between what the person used to make and what they can make now. The third one is pain and suffering. And so, again, you look at past pain and suffering, and then you're going to look at future pain and suffering due to additional medical treatments and things like that. And then finally, number four is loss of enjoyment of life. And that's permanent injuries affecting your ability to do hobbies and things you used to do. If you're a marathon runner, you can't do that. If you're a skydiver, whatever you used to do, if you can't do it anymore, that would fall under the loss of enjoyment of life. Now, if the person who caused this or business has a very small insurance policy and they don't have money, they might be really eager to say, here, take my little bit of money, take my insurance policy, because there's no way I can pay for all of this in the future. On the flip side, if the person or company that caused the injury has a very large policy, has a lot of money, they're probably going to fight pretty hard not to pay this potentially huge amount of money, whether it be through a settlement or a verdict. So this could take a while. So if you've got questions about permanent injuries and you happen to be here in Nevada where I practice law, feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and we can talk about it.